Okay, should we start with the lecture? I think 26 people have joined. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll just go and I'll just explain the basics of logic gates, okay? And after that, we'll be starting with the something how addition, how subtraction, how multiplication, how division is actually done, arithmetic and logic in it, okay? So what is Boolean logic? Does anybody know here? Does anybody know what is Boolean logic? Anybody has any idea about gates, logic gates?
Yes, sir.
So we have some logic gates. Okay, what is logic gates? Anybody? Why we use logic gates? The purpose of using logic gates? What are the different types of logic gates? Any idea? Different types of
Uh,
logic
Like
gates?
and or zor, nor,
and
not.
or not and
Yeah. So कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ा था ये आपने? When was the last time you discussed or you have studied about this thing?
सर 12th में आई थिंक, और अभी
Okay.
सेमेस्टर 1 में भी था थोड़ा सा.
Okay. So जो logic gates है, okay, so the logic gates that we have, these gates are generally used for performing addition. They are used for performing subtraction, used for performing multiplication, okay, used for performing division, and all the arithmetic operation that you can think of. Along with that, it also performs logical operations such as ANDing. Does AND has a use of it? कुछ AND का use है. The use of the AND is to format your system. System को अगर आपको format करना है, we use AND gates. Then we use something called as ORing. Okay, we perform an operation called as NOT. Okay, which is to take the complement of a number. We performing a NAND as an operation. So ये सारे आप logical operation भी कर सकते हो. So in order to perform all these arithmetic operation along with some logical operation और जितने भी circuit logic के जितने भी circuit अगर आपको बनानी है, you have to use logic gates. So if you're designing an embedded system, which basically execute a program, yeah, if you're designing any processor which will execute a certain program, that logic will be designed with the help of these logic gates. यानी कोई भी अगर आपको ऑपरेशन करना है, वो ऑपरेशन को करने के लिए जो at the end जो gates लगेंगे, those will be done with the help of these logic gates. Okay, so if you want to get like, if you want to solve this equation like x square plus 2x plus 3, if you want to solve this equation, you can solve this equation with the help of logic gates. Okay, without these logic gates you won't be able to solve it. Okay, so ऐसे कोई भी arithmetic equation या कोई भी equation अगर आपको solve करनी है, for that logic gates are required. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these logic gates that you are studying is basically of different types. Okay, so what are the different types of logic gates? So these gates are broadly classified into three different categories. Okay, the number one is something called as basic gates. Okay, number two is something which is called as universal gate. Okay, and lastly is something called as special gates. Okay, so ये तीन तरीके के gates हैं. Okay, just a second. Okay, so there was a glitch. So yeah, so logic gates, three type: basic gate, universal gate, and the last one is special gates. Okay, so these basic gates are of different type. These are AND gate, we have something called as OR gate, and we have something called as NOT gate. Okay, so these are the three basic gates that we have for designing any logical operation, or you can say the Boolean expression. कोई भी Boolean expression को या कोई भी एक logical operation को design करने के लिए जो gates लगेंगे, वो आप AND और या NOT gates से आप बना सकते हो. These are called as basic gates. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Then we have two different types of universal gate, which is called as NAND and NOR. Okay, they are called as universal gates because these gates, NAND and NOR, can form any other gate. So NAND से आप AND gate बना सकते हो, NAND से आप OR gate बना सकते हो, NAND से आप NOT gate बना सकते हो. Similarly NOR से आप AND gate बना सकते हो, NOR से OR बना सकते हो, NOR से आप NOT gate बना सकते हो. यानी NAND और NOR को आप कोई भी गेट में आप आसानी से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. That is why it is called as universal gate, because these gates will work universally and they can be create, or these gates can form any other gates as well. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. And then in special gates we have something called as XOR gate, and we have something called as XNOR gate. Okay, ये दो special या exclusive gates है जो आप use करते हो. Okay, so we'll start with the something which is called as AND gate. So AND gate जो है, इसका symbol जो है, the AND gate is represented with the help of something like this. I hope you all know this. Does anybody know this? So if
Yes,
you have
sir.
X and Y,
Yes.
will get Z as output, and that Z will be equal to what? X plus Y or X dot Y?
Dot Y.
Dot Y. Okay, so the dot represent the AND operation. Okay, so in Boolean expression, if you want to represent this as a Boolean expression, this is equal to nothing but Z X dot Y. Okay, so this is nothing but you're using AND operation over here. Is that clear? And in logical, you will be representing that with the help of this particular circuit diagram. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we need to understand कि इसका input क्या होगा, output क्या होगा. So in order to understand the input and output, we need to draw some truth table. Okay. So we have X, we have Y. So we have these inputs, and we'll be having some outputs, and that would be referred as Z. Okay. So Z is nothing but it is X dot Y. Okay. So inputs क्या क्या possibility हो सकती है? X and 0 both are zeros. X and Y both are zeros. Either of them is 1 and the other one is 0, so it can be 0 or 1, or it can be 1 or 0, and the last condition is X and Y both should be 1. Correct? इसके अलावा और कोई possibility नहीं है X और Y की?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I perform AND operation between 0 and 0, in that case the output would be 0. Okay, so what does AND says? If any of the input is 0, if even a single output is 0, input is 0, naturally the output has to be 0. अगर दोनों में से कोई एक भी अगर 0 होगा, naturally the output has to be 0 without looking at the other inputs. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just look at
Yes,
this
sir.
0, automatically आपको पता चल जाएगा कि output 0 आएगा. You don't have to even look at Y. Okay. Similarly, what about 0 and 1? The output would be
Zero.
0,
0. What about 1 0?
0,
0. What about 1 1?
Zero.
1.
In this case,
One.
because there is no 0, that means the output is
1.
1. Okay. So this is the truth table for AND gate. Okay, remember this, it is pretty important. Okay, कोई भी सर्किट जब हम आगे बनाएंगे, it will use AND gate और OR gate. ये ज़्यादातर दो गेट्स सबसे ज़्यादा यूज होता है. Fine, is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly, अगर मैं, this is the first gate which is the AND gate. Now we'll understand what is OR gate. Okay, so second gate is something called as OR gate. So OR is represented something of this sort. This is the symbol for OR gate. Okay, so we have two input, one is X, other is Y. The output is something Z, and it is represented as Z is equal to X plus Y. So the symbol for representing OR is plus. Is that clear? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So how do we read these symbols? Z is equal to X plus Y नहीं read करेंगे. We'll read this as Z is equal to X or Y. Is that clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
similarly, over
Yes,
here,
sir.
we won't be reading X dot Y, we'll be reading as X and Y. Okay, so that is how we read in Boolean expressions. Okay, what is the meaning of Boolean expression? The meaning of the Boolean expression is any expression whose output has just two outcomes, which means it can be either 0 or it can be 1. Those expressions are referred as Boolean expression. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So अब इस symbol जो है आपका z is equal to x plus y, we'll just see what can be the value of z will be. So we have exactly two inputs. One is x and the other is y, and the output is exactly one, which is z, which is equal to x or y. Okay. So again, the two possibility, the four different possibility of x and y can be, both can be 0, both can be 1, or either of them is 1 and the other one is 0. Okay, that is all possibility that I can have. Okay. The OR gate says that if one of the input is 1, naturally the output is 1. Okay. If one of the input is 1, you don't have to look at the other input, automatically the output has to be 1. Is that clear? In the previous case, we were checking
Yes.
for zeros. अगर एक भी 0 है तो naturally output is 0. In this case, we'll be checking for 1. अगर एक भी input अगर 1 है, naturally the output has to be 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So just see 0. यहाँ पे भी 0 है. None of the input is 1. That means the output is 0 in this case. Is that clear? 0 and
Yes,
1.
sir.
0 or 1. What will be the output? 0 or 1?
1.
1. 1 0. 1
One.
1 1.
One.
1. Clear so far? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Next is something called as NOT gate, gate number 3. So NOT gate is nothing but it is a gate which will flip the bit. Okay, its role is to just flip the bit. Okay, so it just takes single input and its symbol is represented as something of this sort. Okay, so अगर आप A input दोगे, so the output will be of this gate is A bar. Okay, it will be A bar. It will just complement that number. Okay, so that means अगर मैं कुछ भी वैल्यू लूँ, okay, तो A bar क्या होगा, उसका just उल्टा होगा. So if I take 0 as input, output would be
1.
1, and if I give 1 as input, the output is
0.
0.
Zero.
Is this clear? So this gate will just do flipping of the data. Okay, so क्या अभी तक जो हमने gate पढ़ा है, क्या उसका कुछ use है? Yes, they are very useful. Okay, the use I'll just explain it over here. Yeah, so let's say अगर मेरा कोई data है like 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is my data and I want to make sure कि इसका जो lower nibble है, I want to make it as 0. Okay, इसको पूरा erase करना है. The lower data I want to erase it. Erase का मतलब I want to make it as 0. कैसे आप उसको कर सकते हो? Can you do that without affecting the higher nibble? Can you do that? Any guess? कोई भी आप logical operation कर सकते हो. You can do any
We
logical
can do
operation.
and 0.
And with
Like we
0.
can- yeah. So
Okay.
0 and 1 is also 0. The whole 0 thing will become just a 0.
So अगर आप 0 करोगे यहाँ पे तो ये भी 0 बन जाएगा, राइट? आप बोल रहे हो 0 यहाँ पे करने के लिए, दैट इज ओके. अगर मैं इनके साथ 0 कर दूंगा, व्हाट अबाउट दिस नंबर? इसको आप किसके साथ एंड करोगे? Look closely at the and gate. Look closely over here. Okay, if you do and with 0, whatever is the other input, it won't have an impact. अगर वो 0 होगा तो 0 आएगा, 1 होगा तो भी 0 होगा, अगर आप 0 से एंड कर रहे हो तो. Is that clear? But if you're doing and with 1, whatever is the second input, that is exactly the output. Is that clear? So अगर आपको यही नंबर नीचे चाहिए तो आपको एंड किसके साथ करना पड़ेगा?
1 1 1
1 1 1 के साथ, बराबर.
1.
So now perform the AND operation. Perform the AND operation. So 0 and with 0 is nothing but 0. If you get exactly 0, automatically the output is 0, right? So 0 0 0. What about this case? 1 and 0 is, it is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and with 1 is nothing but 0. And 1 and with 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, so you got this as your original data and this has been completely formatted. Is that clear?
Yes,
Exactly.
sir.
Yeah. So these gates are used somewhere like daily life में आप इसको use करते हो. Whenever you format your hard disk, okay. So basically जब आप hard disk को format करते हो, there are multiple ways of formatting it. जब आप कोई भी disk को format करते हो, there is something called as fact tables, okay. There is something called as file allocation table. That table is completely erased, but data वहाँ पे हमेशा अभी भी रहता है. जब आप कोई भी मोबाइल अगर आप बेचना चाहोगे, इफ यू वांट टू सेल योर मोबाइल फोन फॉर सेकंड हैंड, तो आप क्या करते हो, आप फॉर्मेट करते हो, आप दे देते हो. Formatting doesn't mean the data is completely lost. Okay, you can still very much recover those data, right? Yes, can we recover the
Yes,
formatted data? Yeah. So we can use like some softwares and we can recover the lost data, the formatted data. Okay. So what formatting actually does, it erase this file allocation table. वो table को सिर्फ erase कर देता है. Okay. When you do actual formatting, जब आप एक कुछ software use करते हो, software such as Nuke, there is a software called as Nuke. Okay. This Nuke software will actually erase your data completely. It will wipe out each and individual bit. Okay. And how it does it? It does it by making each individual bit as 0. Okay. So उस case में when you use software such as Nuke, in that case each bit will be made as 0. In that case each you can say the memory location is ANDed with 0 0. हर एक memory location को आप AND करते तो 0 0 के साथ. So yes, the logic gates are very much used in daily life. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ये हमने तीन basic gates देख लिए. Then we'll see something called as the fourth one is something called as yes.
So there's a kind request actually. Last year हमें ये सब gates almost सिखा दिए थे.
Okay.
तो
तो
इसके
ये
लिए
मैं
just
skip
to
कर
save
सकता हूँ क्या?
time. हाँ सर वही, क्योंकि आपने अभी जो सिखाया वो भी थे, खाली वो जो आपने फॉर्मेटिंग वाला भी दिखाया ना नंबर्स के साथ, that was a bit of a new concept. बाकी सब we all know.
Okay.
And or not, XOR NAND सब.
Okay. Fine. So I'll just go to something like yeah. If I have something an equation which is y is equal to नहीं y नहीं लेता हूँ मैं. I'll take some equation such as z. If z is equal to x y plus x bar y plus x bar y bar. Can you make the circuit out of this? Can someone make a circuit out of this? You know how to make a circuit, right? ये concept सिखाया था आपको? How to make a circuit?
नहीं सर.
So if you want to make a circuit out of this, looking at this equation, this is nothing but a Boolean expression, right? This is a Boolean expression. इसका जो output आएगा वो either 0 होगा या तो 1 होगा, right? Yeah. So how to make a circuit out of this? So just look at these expression. This is xy. So what is required? And AND gate is required, right? One of the input is x, other input is y. Correct है यहाँ तक?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Then you require something called as x bar y. So either you can take x over here, ये and आप x ले सकते हो यहाँ से, और इसके साथ आप एक NOT गेट लगा करके you can get x bar, या तो आप directly x bar लिख सकते हो अलग से. Okay, that is not at all required as well. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can take एक और input x bar and y, and the third is x bar and y bar. Okay, you require x bar and y bar. Okay, इन तीनों का जो output आएगा उसको क्या करोगे आप? You have to perform which operation?
And
OR operation. Okay, so this is the circuit which you make out of it. Okay, now we'll see what will be the output of this. Okay, let's say x and y both are 0. Can you tell me the output of z? What will be the output of this circuit? X and y are 0, so this is 0, this is 0. Output of the AND gate would be
0.
0.
0. If one of the input is 0, naturally the output of the AND gate has to be 0. What about x bar and y? X
0.
is 0,
Sir,
x
X
bar
bar
is
would be
x
1 हो
bar will
जाएगा ना
be
सर?
1. Yeah, so आप negate कर रहे हो, you just flip the bit, y will be 0.
Still 0.
If one of the input is 0, naturally the output is
0.
0 for
0.
AND. X bar and y bar, for this case tell me.
1.
It is
1
1.
and 1.
It is 1.
is 1.
The output is 1. Now use the OR gate. If one of the input is 1, naturally the output is
1.
1.
1. So z की value क्या आ जाएगी?
1.
1. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. So you can get this value by truth table as well, or you can make the circuit out of it and you can get the values. Okay. अब truth table से कैसे निकालना है? You can solve for that as well. So x ले लो, y ले लो. Okay. So what is x? X is 0, 0. 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 बराबर. These are the values that x and y can take. Clear है यहाँ तक? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now get the value of x dot y. Okay, what is x dot y? 0 0 is nothing but 0. 0 1 is nothing but 0. 1 0 is nothing but 0. 1 1 is nothing but 1. Basically, we are taking AND operation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So we got this expression. Now get this expression x bar y. Okay. So what is x bar? So first get x bar. So x bar is nothing but the
One.
reverse of x. So it is 1 1 0 0. Similarly get yeah. So x bar y निकालना है. So get this one and this as on AND operation. So AND operation अगर आप लोगे तो if any of the input is 0, naturally the output is 0. So क्या आ जाएगा 0, इसका 1, इसका 0 और इसका 0. What is this? This is x bar dot y. Is that clear?
One.
Is
Yes,
that clear? Yeah. Similarly, take the last one, which is x bar and y bar. Yeah. So get the value of y bar. Y bar is nothing but the opposite of y.
1
So
0
which is
1 0.
1 0 1 0. Clear है यहाँ तक? Now get this value y bar and x bar. इन दोनों का क्या करना है आपको? AND operation करना है. X bar
1
and
0
y
0
bar. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Okay, you got this, this and this. Take its AND operation. Okay, and you will get something which is called as Z. तो क्या करोगे आप Z निकालने के लिए? 0 and with 0 and with 1. Sorry, or 0 or with 0 or with 1. If one of the input is 1, output is
One.
1.
1.
Okay,
1
0 1 0. Output क्या आएगा? For this case,
1
0 1 and 0. The output is 1.
One.
0 0 and 0. Output is
Zero.
0.
0. 1 0 0. The output is 1.
And
Okay, so the output of the Boolean expression is this one for all the possibility of x and y. Is that clear?
So
Yes,
फिर
yes, sir.
ये आपने
कब-
मेरे ख्याल से लॉजिक में पढ़ा होगा आपने, आई थिंक इन मैथमेटिक्स
Yes.
एंड लॉजिक डिजाइनिंग. या
सर
so
कब
this
Yes,
लॉजिक ये कब ट्रूथ टेबल यूज करनी चाहिए और फिर कब सर्किट ड्रॉ करना चाहिए?
so
Like, what is
it
easier?
depends. Yeah, it depends on you which method is good for you. Okay, but looking at the circuit, your life is completely simple क्योंकि उसके अंदर आपको जो भी पॉसिबिलिटी चाहिए आप उसके अंदर वैल्यू डाल करके आप आसानी से वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. फॉर दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल वैल्यूज. Okay, which takes times, right? So it completely depends on our personal choice. So for me, I would suggest कि आप circuit बना लो. That would be much simpler. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So once you got मेरे ख्याल से आपको समझ में आ गया एक्सप्रेशन. अगर आपको कोई भी अगर बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन दिया जाए उसका आउटपुट कैसे निकालना है.
yes,
Got the
sir.
idea?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now after doing this, now we need to understand कि ये एक्सप्रेशन को हम छोटा भी कर सकते हैं, इस एक्सप्रेशन को हम बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So छोटे और बड़े कैसे करेंगे? So for that there is something called as SOP and POS. Okay, I'm going at very fast pace. Okay, I'm going at very fast pace. All these concepts, like it will take like हर एक concept को समझाने के लिए it would take exact like 2 or 3 hours. तो SOP को समझाने के लिए 3 घंटे लगेंगे, POS को समझाने के लिए 3 घंटे लगेंगे, and then K-map को समझाने के लिए और 3 से 4 घंटे चाहिए. Okay, but I'm going at very fast pace, so kindly please pay attention because we don't have time for explaining all these stuff. So SOP stand for sum of product. Okay, and POS stand for product of sum. Fine, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So SOP or POS क्या है? These are the two methods. Using these two methods, you can write down the Boolean expression. Okay. So कोई भी एक Boolean expression है, यानी कोई भी एक expression है F, उसको आप x y z plus x bar y bar z या z bar x y आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हो. Okay. So this is something called as sum of product. So this is nothing but a product. So this is product 1, this is product 2, this is product 3, and basically what you do, you get a sum of product, right? Is that clear? So अगर कोई expression
sir.
इस तरीके से अगर आपको कोई expression दिखेगा, then we call these expression as SOPs. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if a function looks something of this sort, x bar y bar x plus y bar plus z, okay, dot x plus y plus z dot x bar plus y bar plus z bar. अगर ऐसा कोई एक्सप्रेशन अगर आपको दिखे, that expression is nothing but it is POS. Why it is called as POS? Because this is sum 1, this is sum 2, this is sum 3, and you are getting a product of sum. Is that clear? So this expression is called as POS. So कोई भी boolean expression को लिखने के, represent करने के दो तरीके, either आप उसको इस तरीके से represent करा सकते हो, या तो आप इस तरीके से represent करा सकते हो. Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The general book, every book that uses this is the general practice that they use. Say they always use SOP as a representation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll explain how to make SOP expression. Okay. So generally, जब भी आपको कोई भी expression लिखना होता है, they give you some truth table. Okay. So let's say I'll give you some truth table A, B, and C. Okay. So this truth table has a function, और ये input है basically A, B और C, और ये output है. Is this clear so far? This is input
Yes, sir.
and this is output. So input, अगर तीन input है मेरे पास, so what are the different possibilities that I can have? How many possibilities can I have? If I have three inputs, 8, which can be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
4
1,
zeros, 4 1.
0. Yeah, so 4, 0, 4, 1. That is a more simpler one. Then 2, 0,
2
2, 1,
zeros,
2, 0, 2, 1.
and then
Then
alternative
0, 1,
zeros and 1.
0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Clear है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर मुझे डायरेक्टली फंक्शन की वैल्यू किसी ने दे दी है, ओके, सो लेट्स से यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, और बाकी सब 0 है. एंड इफ this truth table is given and they ask you to write down the expression for this, okay, write the expression for the given truth table. So how to write down the expression for truth table? So for that you need to consider only one वाली column को आपको सिर्फ लेना है. Okay, so this is one column, this is another row, this is row, right? Yeah. So आपको जहाँ पे 1 देखे आउटपुट में, सिर्फ वो वाली रो को पकड़ना है. Okay, so consider this row, consider this row, and consider this row. Is that clear? और कहीं 1 है?
Yes, sir.
और
No,
कहीं 1
sir.
है? No.
No,
Okay?
sir.
Yeah. So once you got this, you need to check the value of A, B, and C. If A, B, C in that row is 0, then that term will become that bar. If A is 0, then it will become A bar. If B is 0, then it will become B bar. And if C is 0, then it will become C bar. और अगर वो 1 है, तो it will be considered as just A, B, or C. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So इस 1 के लिए क्या आप मुझे इक्वेशन बता सकते हो क्या होगा? A is 0, B is 0, C is 1.
A bar, B bar, C bar.
A bar,
B
or
bar.
C.
B bar, C. Okay. So this we got as product. Okay. So P1 मिल चुका है. Get the product, second product.
A
A
bar,
bar, B, C.
A bar,
A
B,
bar.
C.
B, C. Good. इसके लिए क्या है? For this one?
A, B bar,
A.
C.
B bar,
B bar,
C.
C.
बराबर ना? बराबर?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but
Okay.
your F. This is nothing but your F. Okay. So this is something called as SOP. You got an expression and which is in the form of sum of product. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes,
अगर 1
sir.
ना हो उसमें,
Sorry.
अगर 1 ना हो आउटपुट में,
अगर आउटपुट में 1 ना हो तो उसका इक्वेशन इज कंप्लीटली 0. सो अगर
okay.
अगर
हाँ,
आप अगर आप
in
बोल
any
रहे हो,
case it will be 0.
या सो अगर 0 ये 0 ये 0 ये 0 सब 0 है, तो F is nothing but you can just write down as 0.
Okay,
Is
sir.
that okay? Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you got this equation. Okay, you got this equation. From this equation you can construct this circuit out of this. Can you construct this circuit out of this? Yes, it is pretty simple. What you need to do?
Yes.
3 AND गेट लगाने, करेक्ट. एक में आप डालोगे A बार, दूसरे में B बार और तीसरे C इनपुट. दूसरे AND गेट में आप क्या डालोगे? A बार, B और C. फिर डालोगे आप A, B बार, और सी, बराबर? इज दिस क्लियर?
सर
या और इन तीनों का आउटपुट कहाँ से कनेक्ट करोगे आप?
और गेट
और से
ओके अब हम चेक करेंगे अपनी पुरानी कंडीशन, अगर ए बी और सी तीनों अगर जीरो है तो आउटपुट क्या था? ट्रुथ टेबल देखने की जरूरत नहीं, हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारा ये इक्वेशन
0
बराबर आया कि नहीं आया। सो जस्ट गेट द वैल्यू। अगर ये जीरो है तो अगर ए जीरो है तो ए बार क्या हो जाएगा? आई यूज सम अदर कलर।
1
ए अगर जीरो है तो ए बार क्या हो जाएगा? 1। बी बार क्या हो जाएगा? 1। सी
1
जीरो है तो सी जीरो ही रहेगा, राइट? इफ वन ऑफ द इनपुट इज जीरो, naturally the output of the AND gate would be,
Sir, can you repeat this step?
yeah, I'll repeat it again. Okay, what I'm trying to do is, I got this circuit, I got this equation, from this equation I got this circuit. Is that clear? How did we got this equation? Just by looking at the truth table. ये truth table को देख करके मैंने ये एक इक्वेशन लिखा, इस इक्वेशन से मैंने ये सर्किट बनाया। अब ये सर्किट बनाने के बाद मुझे चेक करना है क्या मैंने जो सर्किट बनाया ये बराबर है, क्या ये ट्रूथ टेबल को फॉलो कर रहा है या ये गलत सर्किट है। आई जस्ट नीड टू वेरीफाई दैट। इज दैट क्लियर?
यस सर
Yes.
फॉर वेरीफाइंग दैट आई नीड टू कीप द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए बी सी। मैं अज्यूम करते जा रहा हूँ ए बी सी को अगर मैंने जीरो रखा तो एज पर टेबल आई एम गेटिंग आउटपुट एज जीरो। So looking at this this circuit, will I be getting zero? I need to confirm that. Is that clear? Is that clear?
यस सर
So अगर मैं
Yes,
a को
sir.
जीरो रख रहा हूँ तो a बार क्या हो जाएगा?
1
a अगर जीरो है तो
One.
it will become 1. b अगर मेरा जीरो तो b बार क्या हो जाएगा?
1.
1. c अगर जीरो तो c तो जीरो ही रहेगा. No, there is no bar. If one of the input in AND gate is zero, the output is naturally
0
zero. This is what we have studied in the AND gate. AND gate में यही पढ़ा था ना हमने. If one of the input is zero,
Yes.
naturally the
Yes.
output is zero, right? So apply the same formula.
Yes.
That is why the AND gate was pretty important. Even if you understood this, the gates, the expression, all are linked to each other. And so is something which you'll be learning, which is called as addition. That is also linked with this thing. Okay. Now tell me a bar क्या होगा? What is a bar? A आपने assume किया zero, तो a bar क्या हो जाएगा? 1. B is zero, so it will be zero. C is zero, it will be zero. What will be the outcome of this AND gate?
0
0.
0, because one of the input is 0, so naturally the output is 0. What about this case? A is 0,
0
B
1
bar
0
is 1,
1.
C is 0.
0.
Output is
0
0.
0. OR gate में if none of the input is 1, naturally the output is 0.
0.
Are we getting the same value as that of the truth table?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll check for the second row. Second row में A, B, C की वैल्यू क्या थी? 0 0 1. Is that clear? A की वैल्यू 0, B की वैल्यू 0, C की वैल्यू 1. Put that value and tell me क्या 1 आ रहा है? Are you guys getting 1 as the output using the same circuit?
yes sir
Is it coming as 1? So this A bar is nothing but it is 1, B bar is nothing but 1, C is nothing but 1. Naturally इसका output क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. अगर एक भी इनपुट 1 आ गया और गेट का, naturally the output is 1, right ना? मुझे बाकी चीज की देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means it is working pretty fine. Okay, it is working pretty fine. We'll check this condition. Okay, 101 वाली एक final condition check कर लेते हैं and we'll conclude. Okay, 101. If A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. Okay, put the values over there and check whether F की value या output की जो circuit की output की value है क्या वो 1 आ रही है क्या. So if A is 1, A bar is nothing but 0. So naturally इसका output 0 आ जाएगा, आगे देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. A bar is again 0, so यहाँ पे भी 0 आ जाएगा. No issues of
सर
checking the
एंड
other.
पे 1 आ जाएंगे तो 1
A
आएगा
is 1, C is 1, B bar is also 1. So in this case, the output is 1. Naturally, the one of the output is one of the input is 1 for OR gate. The output has to be 1. Is that
One.
clear? So that
Yes,
means
Yes, sir.
this circuit is perfectly fine for that particular expression. Is that clear so far?
यस सर सर एक छोटा सा माइनर डाउट है सर
Yes.
ये हम जब ऐसे सर्किट बनाते तो वी आर अलाउड टू रिपीट द लेटर्स अभी जैसे A बार B बार C फिर A बार वापस आ गया B C फिर A B
यू आर
बार
अलाउड
C
टू डू
को
दैट,
ऐसे
यू आर अलाउड टू डू दैट। ये हम क्यों लिख रहे
allowed
हैं? क्योंकि अगर मैं जैसे ये ए बार आप बोल रहे हो कि ए बार यहाँ पे भी, ए बार यहाँ पे भी है, राइट? व्हाई वी आर रिपीटिंग इट?
यस सर
अगर मैं रिपीट नहीं
या
करूंगा, मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं ये लाइन लेकर के यहाँ पे जोड़ूंगा, so it will kind of look complicated, right? It will become more messy. Your like on book it will become more messy, you won't be able to understand that, right?
यस सर
तो
सर क्योंकि
वो
हमें जूनियर कॉलेज में ये डायरेक्ट बनाने बोलते थे यू
डायरेक्ट
कांट
बनाने बोलते थे, बराबर बराबर, लेकिन उससे वो बहुत गंदा होता है और वो समझ में नहीं आता कि इनपुट कहाँ से आ रहा है। So it is okay
एग्जैक्टली
if you make a different set of lines. That is all right, pretty all right. No issues with it. Is that clear
ओके
so far? Is this clear so far?
यस
Yes.
सर
Yeah. एक और हम टेबल देखते हैं। ओके, विल सी अनदर टेबल एंड ये छोटा सा टेबल देखते हैं, ए और बी का ही देखते हैं। तो इसमें टोटल मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी है? 4 की, बराबर ना?
Yes.
या सो दिस इज योर फंक्शन output and there are only 2 inputs, so 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, right? Correct? Yeah. So if like 1 1 0 1, okay, ये अगर आपका फंक्शन दिया है, can you write down the expression for this particular truth table? Get the expression for this truth table. The function will be equal to what?
A bar, B bar
A bar
A
B
bar
bar
B bar plus
plus
plus A bar B.
A bar
A
B,
bar
B bar.
good, plus
and plus A
A B.
A B, बराबर ना? A B bar किसने बोला? A B bar नहीं आएगा। A
नहीं
B
सर
bar
That
we are
I
talking about
said.
this because that is 0. We'll just be writing about this once, not the zeros. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you got this expression. Once you got this expression, you need to make an equation. You need to make a circuit out of this. Can you make the circuit? Can you make the circuit? Yes. It is
Yes,
pretty
sir.
simple. 3 AND गेट बना दो। ओके, इनको जाएगा ए बार बी बार ना, हाँ, ए बार बी बार, इन दोनों एंड गेट, इस एंड गेट को जाएगा इनपुट ए बार एंड बी, इस एंड गेट को जाएगा इनपुट ए और बी। ओके, इन तीनों को आप लगा दो और गेट से। ओके, और ये आपका आउटपुट आ जाएगा एज एफ। इज दिस क्लियर सो फार?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but the problem is this expression can be more simplified. Okay, कैसे होगा simplify? We'll understand with the help of something which is called as a beautiful technique, which is something called as K-map. Okay, or you can call it as a Karnaugh map. Okay, so how does it work? I'll just show you the output of this, and इसका explanation मैं आपको आराम से दूंगा. Okay, so we make a small matrix, 2 by 2 का matrix, in which we have A and B. Okay, that A and B can be 0 or 1. The B can be 0 and 1, right? बराबर है, यहाँ तक clear है? If A and
Yes.
B are both are 0, if A and B both are 0, what is the value of the function? Both are 0.
1.
It is 1. If A is 0 and B is 1, what is the value in that case?
1.
1.
1. If A is 1 and B is 0, what is the value in that case?
0.
0. And if A and B both are 1, in that case, what is the value of the function in this case?
1.
If A and B, so it is 1. Okay, so this is called as mapping in the K map. Okay, done with the mapping part. After doing the mapping, we need to make a pair. Okay, हम लोग को pair बनाना है. Okay, we need to make a group. Okay, तो हम पहले चेक करते हैं कि क्या 4 1 का ग्रुप पॉसिबल है. Is making a group of 4 possible? 4 ones. क्या 4 1 का ग्रुप बनाना पॉसिबल है? 4 1 है ही नहीं तो ग्रुप कैसे बनेगा, राइट? That is not possible. Can we make a group of 2? Can we make a group of 2 consecutive group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can make this as group of 1 as a single group. We can also make this one as a group, right? डायगनल नहीं ले सकते आप ऊपर ले सकते हो या नीचे साइड में ले सकते हो. डायगनली आप ले नहीं सकते. You cannot take this as a group. Okay, ये आप ग्रुप नहीं ले सकते. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll just erase everything and I'll draw it again. Okay, I hope you got the idea a little bit. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम इस टेबल से एक K मैप बना रहे हैं और वो K मैप में क्या होगा? we'll be making 2 by 2 का K map, okay, 2 by 2 का matrix which has row as A and the column as B. So that row can be 0 1 and the column can be 0 1. So अगर A और B 0 0 रहेगा तो output is 1, ये भी 1, ये 0 और ये 1. ये बनने के बाद we need to make a group. So I can make this as one group and this as one group. Okay, so this is group number 1 and this is group number 2. Is this clear so far?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now we need to write down the function is nothing but it is group 1 plus group 2. Okay, so get the expression from group 1. Group 1 के लिए आप expression लिखो. Okay, so group 1 में अगर आप देखोगे whatever is common, इन दोनों ग्रुप में कॉमन क्या है? A कॉमन है या B कॉमन है? For group 1, I am talking about group 1. What is common in these two values? A. यहाँ पे भी A की वैल्यू 0 है, यहाँ पे भी A की वैल्यू क्या है? 0 है. क्लियर है?
No, sir.
For this the value of A is also 0 and for this the value of A is 0, right? In that group A की वैल्यू 0 है. B की वैल्यू बदल रही है, right? B is in the first case B is 0 and in the second case the value of B is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the value which change will be skipped. That will be skipped. और जो वैल्यू जो कॉमन रहेगी वो वैल्यू आप सिर्फ पकड़ोगे. Is that clear? So B
Yes,
is
sir.
completely skipped. B is completely skipped. You just take the value of A. In that case A की वैल्यू क्या थी? 0. So 0 थी मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? A bar. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat it again.
Yes.
Okay, I'll repeat it again. Kindly pay attention. वो ग्रुप पे सिर्फ मैं फोकस कर रहा हूँ. So there are 2 ones in that group. Okay, ये 1 जो था इसमें A की वैल्यू क्या थी? What was the value of A and B for that one? For this one, what was the value of A and B? A was 0, B was also 0, right? Correct? Is
Yes,
that clear?
sir.
For this one, what was the value of A and B? Come on, tell me.
0 1.
So A की वैल्यू was 0 and B की वैल्यू was 1. Correct है यहाँ तक? Correct है यहाँ तक? If
Yes, sir.
this is the situation, we'll discard the element which is changing. यानी B को हम completely discard कर देंगे. And we'll keep only the element which is common. Okay? So we'll just keep A. And since A की value was 0 in both the case, we'll take that as A bar. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
group
sir.
1 का equation क्या आएगा? Group 1 का equation आएगा
A bar.
A bar. Now tell me what about B bar? Tell me about 2. 2 के केस में क्या आएगा? Equation for 2. Look at this group. Just look at this group. What is common?
Sir, B.
Yeah. So we are getting
So
B is common. And what is the value of B in that case? The common value is B की value क्या आ रही है common? 1. So since
1.
B is common and that is 1, so that expression is nothing but expression क्या है? B. So it is nothing but A bar plus B. So this equation is nothing but A bar plus B. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So हम यही पूरे circuit को we can just replace it with a smaller circuit. Okay, what is that circuit? Just an OR gate which has A bar and B, and we'll get the same output which is F. So which will be cheaper, this circuit or this circuit? Which will be cheaper?
और वाला
the
छोटा
second one.
Chota wala circuit, because it uses exactly one gate. It uses multiple gates. Okay. So what we are trying to do? We are trying to reduce the overall expression, the overall Boolean expression. What advantage we get? The advantage we get is that we are able to reduce the overall circuit. If we are able to reduce the overall circuit, naturally the cost of the circuit or the cost of making that particular circuit will be cheaper. Because at the end, ये gates के अंदर क्या होता है? What is there? Are these gates physically present? Yes, they are physically there. इस gates के अंदर क्या होता है? We have something called as capacitors. इस gates के अंदर we have something called as transistors. इस gates के अंदर we have something called as resistors. Okay, and so on. Resistors, sorry, not resistor, resistors. Okay, ये सारी चीजें उसके अंदर सारे electrical components होते हैं. इसके अंदर भी कैपेसिटर होगा, इसके अंदर भी रेजिस्टर होगा, रेजिस्टेंस होगा, इसके अंदर आपका transistors होगा and so on. So these are all small electrical components, and if you are able to reduce those electrical components, naturally the overall circuit cost will be reduced. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the technique of reducing the Boolean expression. Is came up clear so far? But it is not that simple. It is pretty more difficult. मैं एक सबसे simple example लिया था, तो I hope you got the idea why K-map is used. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We'll take more example and you will now reduce it, okay? We'll take more examples and you will get the idea. You'll get the knack out of it, okay? I hope you're not getting bored.
No, sir.
Yeah. So I've got a truth table A, B. I've got a function, okay? A0, B0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay? मैं कोई भी random value ले लेता हूँ function की 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay? Can you write down the expression for this first? What will be the expression?
A bar, B bar,
A bar, B bar plus
that's
A
A
bar B.
bar, B.
A bar, B. Is that clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
From this you can make a circuit. That circuit would be bigger circuit, okay? Because it has A bar, B bar, this B bar, and then we have A bar and B. So दो AND gate लग गए और उसके बाद एक OR gate लगेगा. From that OR gate you'll be getting an output which is F. Clear so far? Now try to make
Yes,
a
sir.
K-map. Now try to make a K-map out of this. So use the same logic. This is A, the row, and the B is a column. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. If both are 0, the output is 1. If A is 0, B is 1, in that case the output is 1. And the other two
0, 0.
cases it is 0, 0. So how many expression are possible? How many groups you can make? Just a pair,
One.
right?
1.
एक ही group बना पाओगे एक pair का. And this is the pair, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So get the equation for that. What is the equation? What is the value of F? So F क्या आएगा? What is common and what is in common? Uncommon is B. B is changing. 0 to 1.
Sir, A bar.
A bar is the
A.
correct answer. A bar is the correct answer. What is common? A is common and the value of A is 0. 0 is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
A bar. Correct? Now look at the expression over here. क्या output A bar ही है? अगर 0 है तो output क्या आ रहा है? 1 आ रहा है. 0 है तो output क्या आ रहा है? 1 आ रहा है. 1 है तो output क्या आ रहा है? 0 आ रहा है. 1 है तो output क्या आ रहा है? 0. So whatever is the output, whatever is the value of A, the output is coming as inverse of it. Is that clear? Yeah. So this overall circuit, आप इसको reduce कर सकते हो with just a simple gate, which is nothing but NOT gate, and you put A over here, you will get F over here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Got the idea? Okay. One more. Last. Okay. थोड़ा expression बड़ा कर लेते हैं. Okay. We'll make the bigger one now. A, B, C. Okay. So yeah, this is the function. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, oh sorry, 0, 1, 1. Then we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and lastly we have 1, 1, 1. How many students we have so far in the class?
31.
31. Almost 20 बच्चे नहीं है class में. Fine. So I'll just write down the random values. Okay. You just simplify it. Okay. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Can you write down the equation for this and simplify this? Just write down the equation. इसका simplification थोड़ा complex हो जाएगा because यहाँ पे जो K-map है वो 2 by 2 का नहीं बनेगा. It will become total 8 possibility है. So what is the matrix will become? 2 row
4 by
and 4 columns. 2 by 4 का matrix बने. 2 by 4. Okay. So what is the expression that you got? Come on, tell me. Y is equal to, sorry, F is equal to, my bad.
A
A bar, B bar, C bar,
F is equal to A bar, B bar, C
B
bar
bar, C bar,
plus
A bar, B
A
bar,
bar,
C,
A bar, B bar, C plus
A, B bar, C bar,
A,
A, B bar, C bar plus
A,
A,
B, C
B bar,
bar,
C,
A, B
A, B,
bar,
E,
C
A, B,
plus
C.
A, B, C.
B.
बराबर? Is this clear so far? Everybody got this?
Yes.
Yes.
5 expression possible है? Yeah. After this, we already know कि circuit बहुत बड़ी होगी. Okay, we'll find out the K-map and simplify this. Okay, so K-map कैसे बनेगा? We need to make a K-map जब 8 output होंगे. Okay, यानी 3 input होंगे. In that case, the possibility that I can have is a 2/4 matrix. Okay, so क्या होगा? It is A over here, it is BC over here. So A की possibility क्या हो सकती है? A क्या क्या हो सकता है? 0 1.
0 या 1,
BC क्या क्या हो सकता है? It can be
0
0 0,
0, 0,
1
0 1,
0,
0, 1, 1.
1 1, 1 1 1 0.
1 1 and 1 0. Why you have written 1 1 over here? Any reason for
क्योंकि
that?
फिर यहाँ पर खाली एक बिट चेंज होएगा. अगर हम 1 0 लिखते तो डबल बिट चेंज होता है.
Yeah. So anybody knows this? Everybody knows this? Okay. I'll explain the
Yes.
concept. Okay. I'll just explain the concept. Okay. The overall idea behind this K-map is, what is the overall idea? If you look closely, इसके अंदर अगर आप closely अगर देखो इस expression को हम reduce कैसे कर रहे हैं? Mathematically we can do that as well. Okay. कैसे कर सकते हैं? Just take A bar common. If you take A bar common, what we get is something B bar plus B, right? बराबर?
Yes, sir.
B बार प्लस B अगर सेम नंबर को उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट के साथ अगर आप और करोगे, नेचुरली आउटपुट इसका 1 आएगा. So that is why we'll just get A bar. Is that clear? If you want to check, you can check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, A bar को अगर A के साथ अगर आप उसका और ऑपरेशन करोगे, A बार और A अगर आप करोगे, so A की क्या वैल्यू हो सकता है? It can be 0 or it can be 1. उसका और क्या आएगा? सॉरी, उसका नॉट क्या आएगा? It is 1 or 0. So get the or operation. 0 और 1 के बीच में अगर आप और करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 1. 1 और 0 के बीच में और करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 1. करेक्ट? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So आपको जब भी K-map इस लॉजिक पे वर्क करता है कि आपको अगले वाले एक बिट के अंदर चेंज देखना है. अगर वो एक बिट के अंदर चेंज हो रहा है, इफ देयर इज जस्ट वन चेंजिंग, इन दैट केस नेचुरली वो कॉमन ग्रुप के अंदर आ जाएगा और उसके अंदर से एक एक्सप्रेशन कम हो जाएगा. Okay, that is the whole idea behind K-map. Okay, so जब हम ये K-map बना रहे हैं, okay, so as per the sequence 0 0 0 1 1 0 आना चाहिए, फिर 1 1 आना चाहिए था, right? As per the sequence, but instead what we are doing, we are writing 1 1 first and then 1 0. Why is the reason? The reason is 0 1 के बाद 1 1 क्यों आ रहा है और 1 0 क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? अगर 1 0 होता तो यहाँ पे एक बिट 0 से 1 बन रहा है, तो यहाँ पे कितना चेंज हो रहा है? एक चेंज हो रहा है. और ये वाला बिट जो 1 था वो 0 बन रहा है, यहाँ पे दूसरा चेंज हो रहा है. So 2 changes are happening. That should not be allowed. Only 1 changes is allowed. Is that clear? So इसके लिए 0 1 के तुरंत बाद 1 0 नहीं आ सकता. Is that clear? So हम क्या लिखते हैं?
Yes.
0 1 के बाद
Yes.
1 1 लिखते हैं. अगर आप इसमें देखोगे, the 0 will become 1. That means 1 change is happening, but the 1 will remain exactly as same, which is 1. So सिर्फ एक चेंज ही है. So this is very much allowed. So that is why 0 1 के बाद हमें 1 1 आता है. और 1 1 के बाद 1 0 आता है. तो 1 1 के बाद अगर आप देखोगे 1 and 1 remains same. There is no change over here, but the change is happening in 1 to 0. So there is one change which is happening. So maximum you can allow exactly one change to happen. That is why we write 0 0, then we write 0 1, then we write 1 1, and then we write 1 0. Is that clear? Is the sequence clear? This sequence is very important. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Once this is done, ये अगर आपको समझ में आ गया, आप बहुत सिंपल हो चुका है. Okay, so just map the values. So अगर A B 0 है, B 0 C 0, तो क्या आएगा वैल्यू?
1.
0 ही आएगी.
Look at the truth table. A 0, B 0, C 0. So what is the value of F in that case?
1.
1. So in that case, the value of F is nothing but 1. If A is 0, B is 0, and C is 1, A0, B0 and C is 1. 1. So यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा. A0, B is 1 and C is 1. So this is nothing but 0. बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
0 will come over here. This is 0, 1, 0. A is 0, A0, B is 1 and C is 0. So what is the output for that?
0.
0. Got this? Now A is 1, B and C both are 0. A is 1,
1.
B and C both are 0. So the output is 1. A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. 1, 0, 1 के लिए आउटपुट
1.
क्या आ रहा है? 1. 1, 1, 1 के लिए आउटपुट क्या आ रहा है? 1, 1, 1 के लिए आउटपुट क्या आ रहा है? 1. And 1, 1, 0 के लिए क्या आ रहा है? 1, 1, 0 के लिए 0. Got this? Got this idea?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Mapping
sir.
कर लिया. After mapping this, you'll start making a group. और ग्रुप किससे करना है? By making a group of 8. आपको मैक्सिमम ग्रुप फाइंड करना है. क्या 8 ग्रुप बनना पॉसिबल है? Is making of 8 group possible?
No, sir.
Not possible, because some of the bits are 0. Now we'll have to make a group of 4. क्या group of 4 बनाना possible है? Listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
I'll just explain how to make group of 4s. Okay? कितने groups possible है वो मैं बता देता हूँ. I'll just erase it. Okay. How many groups are possible? I'll just draw that. तो सबसे पहले आप 8 का ग्रुप बनाते हो. तो this is the first group that you check. Is that possible? In this particular K-map, look at this K-map. Is that possible?
Possible.
All 8 ones. So this is not possible. The second possibility that you check is making a group of 4. Group of 4 is this first group. Is that there? Can you make this 4 as one group?
Yes, sir.
Are all
Yes,
4
sir.
with 1? Yes. So that is possible. Then you check this group. Is that group all ones?
No.
sir.
No.
Oh,
Then you
sir.
check this group. Is that very much possible? No.
No.
In that case, this 0 is there, right? After doing this, we have this 2 and this 2 can be combined together and can be made as a group of 4. Is that possible?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
That is the only 4 groups, group of 4 that I can make. Is that clear? उससे ज़्यादा और कोई group of 4 मैं नहीं बना सकता. So this first group, this is the second group, this is the third group, this is the fourth group. So how many groups are possible? 4 groups are possible. And out of that, only one is there in our K-map. कौन सा group है? ये वाला group. Is that clear?
Sir, 6 के groups नहीं बनते.
6 के नहीं बन सकते. You need to make a power of 2 K group only.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ये group of 4 बन चुके हैं. अब मुझे group of 2 बनाना है. So group of 2 क्या क्या possible? I'll just tell you. एक बार ग्रुप में आ चुका है, वो नंबर को दोबारा आप ग्रुप में शामिल नहीं करोगे until unless दूसरा वाला कवर ना हो जाए. ओके, सो आई कैन मेक, ये सारे के सारे मेरे ग्रुप में आ चुके हैं. ओके, बचे हुए ग्रुप को आपको शामिल करना है और उसको किसी के 2 के साथ बनाना है, उसको पेयर में डालना है. सो इज दिस ग्रुप पॉसिबल?
Yes, sir.
यस, बिकॉज दिस इज स्टिल अनकवर्ड. ये इस वन को आपने किसी भी ग्रुप में शामिल नहीं किया एंड इट इज मैंडेटरी टू इंश्योर कि वो ग्रुप में शामिल हो. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर?
Okay.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
now by making this group, you have covered all the ones. You have covered all the ones. Okay. सारे वन कवर आपने कर लिए. This is your first group and this is your second group. Is this clear so far?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. How many groups of 2 are possible? So एक ग्रुप ये 2 का पॉसिबल है, एक ग्रुप ये पॉसिबल है, एक ग्रुप ये पॉसिबल है, एक ग्रुप ये पॉसिबल है, एक ये ग्रुप है और एक ये ग्रुप है. उसके बाद आप खड़े खड़े भी ग्रुप ले सकते हो. दिस इज वन ग्रुप. आई जस्ट चूज सम अदर कलर, दैट वुड बी मच बेटर. Yeah, so you can choose this as one group, this as one group, this as one group, and this as one group. After that, this and this as one group, this and this as one group. Okay, is that clear? That is the different group of 2 I can make. Is that clear?
सर एजेस का भी हम एक अलग ग्रुप बना सकते हैं ना 2 का.
Edges का भी एक वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, एक ये
हाँ,
प्लस
ये एक
ये
है,
का
नीचे वाला
आप
है, तो हम लोग ऐसे लेफ्ट में कंबाइन करके बाहर की तरफ भी ले सकते हैं ना, लाइक
यही ना, यही बोल
Diagonally.
रहा हूँ.
सर टेकिंग बोथ ऑफ दीज, ये जो लेफ्ट पे आपने बनाया ना ऊपर और नीचे, उन दोनों को साथ में लेके भी हम बाहर की तरफ एक बना सकते हैं ना, सर्कल सेमी सर्कल टाइप।
बता रहा हूँ, मुझे समझ में आप क्या बोल रहे हो। यही प्रॉब्लम है, टीचिंग बूलियन इन ऑनलाइन इज टू डिफिकल्ट. ओके, या सो वन इज ओवर हियर, वन इज ओवर हियर. यू कैन मेक दिस एज अ ग्रुप by making this as one group. Okay, so it is like a paper, you're wrapping it up. After wrapping you can make that group, right? यही बोल रहे हो ना आप?
सर इसके ऊपर भी अगर एक और वन हो, जहाँ पर आपका कर्सर उसके ऊपर एक और वन हो,
मतलब यहाँ पे अगर एक वन है तो
हाँ, और फिर नीचे और ऊपर का ग्रुप बना के साइड वेज भी मेक अनदर ग्रुप। अभी जैसे नीचे आपने एक सिंगल ग्रुप बनाया,
मतलब
तो
एक ये
साइड वेज
ग्रुप
ये पूरा एक, बट टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऐसे।
वो ग्रुप ऑफ 4 में मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया था ना. मतलब बेसिकली आप बोल रहे हो कि अगर आई जस्ट इरेज इट, व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से कि अगर ये वन ये वन ये वन ये वन, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, ये एक दो ग्रुप और ये दो ग्रुप को मिला के 4 का बना सकते हो, राइट? ये
Yes,
बोल
sir.
रहे हो आप? हाँ, तो वो तो ग्रुप ऑफ 4 में आएगा ना, मैं ग्रुप ऑफ 2 की बात कर रहा हूँ. वो तो ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है ना मैंने.
तो मेरे को वही कंफ्यूजन था कि ये भी ग्रुप एग्जिस्ट करता है, राइट?
ये ग्रुप एग्जिस्ट करता है यहाँ पे, लेकिन आपके 4 मेंबर्स हैं, सो इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 4. इट इज नॉट अ पेयर. पेयर में 2 आएंगे, राइट
Okay,
ना? या सो अगर ग्रुप ऑफ 4 की बात कर रहे हो तो आपका एक ग्रुप ये बनेगा, एक ग्रुप ये बनेगा 4 का, एक 4 का ग्रुप ये बनेगा, और एक ये मिलके बनेगा. सो टोटल 4 ग्रुप बन सकते हैं, 4 के इन 8 के मैट्रिक्स में. इज दैट क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर सो फार?
yes sir.
डोंट वरी, और दो न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे, इट विल गेट मोर क्लियर. ओके, आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर इट विल गेट मोर क्लियर. Yeah, but it will I'll lose a lot of time basically teaching these things.
तो हमने
Fine.
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में K-maps था, बट वी couldn't learn it that well तभी,
Okay.
क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो गए थे।
अच्छा, ये था क्या? तो मेरा काम बढ़ा रहे हो
हाँ
आप
सर,
लोग.
K-maps पूरा एक पर्टिकुलर चीज था, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वी वर सो मच इन अ रश, क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो गया था, साल भी लेट चालू हुआ था वगैरह, सो
समझ नहीं आया सर बेसिकली.
Okay,
हाँ
okay.
sir,
Fine. So this function that you got is nothing but it is made up of two expressions, right? 1 plus 2, right? दो ही ग्रुप पॉसिबल है, और सारे 1 मेरे कवर हो चुके हैं, बाकी सब 0 बच चुके, तो मुझे उसकी चिंता नहीं करनी. क्लियर दैट? इज दैट पार्ट क्लियर? इज दैट पार्ट क्लियर?
यस सर.
Yeah. Now write down the equation for 1. 1 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? Just take the something which is common and discard something which is changing. So what is there which is common in these things and what is changing? So look closely. 0. A is 0 over here for this number. A is 0 over here for this number. For 1, A is 1 over here, A is 1 over here, right? Clear है यहाँ तक? So that means
Yes,
A is
sir.
changing, right? A is changing, right? Right? A is
Yes,
changing.
sir.
What about B? B is 0. B is 0 for this number. B is 0 for this number. B is remaining 0 for this number. B is also 0 for this number. So can I say B is not changing?
यस सर.
Only B is not.
Yes.
What about C? C 0 है इन दोनों के लिए, लेकिन C 1 है इन दोनों के लिए. So C is also changing. B is not changing for any of the 4 numbers, right? And what is the
Yes.
value of B? What is the value of B in that case? 0.
So,
So that
B
means
bar.
this 1 can be replaced as B bar. Is that clear?
यस.
yes
Yes,
sir.
Plus, tell me the value for 2. Equation number 2. Look at this value. What is common? A is 1.
So
A
C
is
com
not changing.
A is 1. And
C is also not changing.
C is also not changing, right? A and C.
So
A और C की वैल्यू क्या है? दोनों की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 1, right?
1.
So I can replace this value as AC. Is that clear?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Still not getting?
yes sir.
Can I know the name?
Sakshi.
Sorry?
Sakshi.
Sakshi. Okay. Okay, Sakshi. Kindly pay attention. The function is made up of 2 groups. That is clear so far?
Yes sir.
How you got these 2 groups? Is that clear so far? 2 ग्रुप कैसे बना आपका?
हाँ yes sir.
जो पहला ग्रुप है, उस पहले ग्रुप में आप सिर्फ चेक करो कि A की वैल्यू क्या है. इस एलिमेंट के अंदर A की वैल्यू क्या है? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ A? 0. बराबर. इसके अंदर a की वैल्यू क्या है फॉर दिस? What is the value of a? This is the value of a, right? 0.
0, 0.
It is no. It is okay. You're not
Okay.
getting. Fine. No issues. No issues. ब्रेक लेना है क्या? थोड़ा सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है.
Sir, also I have 2 more queries.
Okay, no issues. No issues. Take your time. So this is listen carefully. This is something the function का output. Okay. So this is nothing but f. f1 कब है? जब a मेरा 0 है, b मेरा 0 और c मेरा 0 है. This we got from the truth table, right? F
Yes,
is
sir.
1 when a is 0, b is 0 and c is 0. Correct? Correct है?
Yes, yes.
When a is 0,
Yes,
b
sir.
is 0 and c is 1, in that case the f value is 1. Exactly. And so on. So and so forth. So can you tell me for this one, what was the value of a? Can you tell me that? What was the value of a for this one?
0.
0. For this one, can you tell me what is the value of a?
0.
0. For this one, what is the value of a?
1.
1. For this one, what is the value of a?
1.
1. So in this group, is the value of a changing or it is constant?
It is changing. Sir,
It is
one more
changing.
query I have that
पहले
while
पहले
we are
इसको सॉल्व
looking
करो. पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लो, उसके बाद आगे.
सर इसी के लिए क्वेरी है
ओके, बोलो.
कि हम लोग जब इसे देखते हैं मतलब a की वैल्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू द फंक्शन वी आर लुकिंग इन द ट्रुथ टेबल और डायरेक्टली बाय द वैल्यूज गिवन बिलो 0
डायरेक्टली
1
यू ऑलरेडी नो ना कि a की वैल्यू क्या है. 0 और 1 यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना, a की वैल्यू, और b की वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है ना, 0 0 0 1 1 1 एंड 1 0. So this is b की वैल्यू, this is c की वैल्यू, this is b की वैल्यू, this is c की वैल्यू, b की वैल्यू, c की वैल्यू, b की वैल्यू, c की वैल्यू. Got this?
यस सर
या सो a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 थी, यहाँ पे 0 थी, यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 1 थी, यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 1 थी. Naturally I cannot take a because it is changing, so I will discard it. Clear यहाँ तक?
यस सर हाँ
Now tell me the value of b for this case. इस नंबर के लिए b की वैल्यू क्या है? b की वैल्यू मतलब
1
this is b,
और सॉरी
this is
0
b,
0 0
this is b and this is b. ये वाले c है,
0
ये वाले c है, ये वाले c है और ये वाले c है. So क्या है? इसके लिए 0. इसके लिए क्या है b की वैल्यू?
0
इसके लिए b की वैल्यू क्या है?
0
इसके लिए b की वैल्यू क्या है?
0
0. So b is remaining constant.
यस सर
Yes. b सबके लिए 0 है ना?
यस सर हाँ
Am I audible? Am I audible?
यस
Am
सर
I audible?
यस
Yeah. So
Yes,
b की
sir.
value, b की value is 0. So since it is 0, we'll be taking just b bar. Okay. Well, now we'll check
Yes.
c. c की value क्या है? What is the value of c over
0
here? 0. What is the value of c over here?
1
1. What is the value of c over here?
1
1. What is the value of c over here?
1
c की value 0 है यहाँ पे.
sorry 1 sorry 0 0 sorry
0. Yeah. So if it is changing 0, कहीं पे 0, कहीं पे 1 है. That means we have to discard that. So what is that group?
sir b bar is only remaining
Exactly.
sir I got it
So group 1 can be written down
yes.
as, yeah, group 1. Thank God you got it. So group 1 is b bar. Okay. Is that clear? I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you got it.
Yes sir
Okay. Yeah. Now group 2 क्या था? Anybody? What is the group 2 that you got? Now Sakshi, tell me what is group 2? A, B, C. पहले A की वैल्यू चेक करो क्या है? What is the value of A in this group?
1
1. Very good. What is the value of A in this case?
1
1. So that means A is remaining same and that value is A, so it is very much available. Okay, ये available है. What is the value of B in this case? In this case, B की value क्या है?
0 0 1
In this case, the value of B is 1.
1
So that means B is changing, so B will be discarded. What about C? In this
1
case, C
1
is 1
constant
1. So C is there. So what is the value for that expression? It is nothing but AC.
A bar, C
Is that clear?
bar.
So B bar plus AC is the final answer. Is that clear? Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ये पूरे ट्रुथ टेबल को, ये जो इतनी बड़ी इक्वेशन थी, उस इक्वेशन को आप रिप्लेस कर सकते हो विथ जस्ट A bar प्लस क्या था? What was the equation?
B bar plus
B bar
AC.
plus B bar plus AC. B bar plus AC. So आप सिर्फ रिप्लेस कर सकते हो इस इक्वेशन से. ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी गेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? एक और गेट लगेगा और एक एक
And
एंड गेट
gate.
लगेगा और एक और गेट. Is that clear?
Not gate.
Got? Is that clear?
Yes,
Got
sir.
the idea?
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, if you got this, I'll just give you K-map and you need to tell me the expression out of it, okay? अब सिर्फ आपको ग्रुप बनाना और एक्सप्रेशन बनाना है. Okay, I'll do it very fast. So this is A, this is B, this is C, okay? 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Can you tell me the function? What is the value of the function? Is group of 8 possible? First, take the group of 8. Is that
Oh,
possible?
sir.
No,
No.
sir. No, sir.
Group of 4 is
Sir, two.
possible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. Two possible.
Group of
Only
2
group
possible.
of 2 is possible. Yes, sir. दो group
And
है.
how many groups you can make? 2 groups.
Two
So this
groups.
group 1, group 2. Okay, so make it as group 1 and this as group 2. So the function is nothing but
B bar
1.
C.
Yeah. So the first group की value क्या है आपको? It is, what is common?
B, C.
B bar. B is 0, so that is
B
why
bar
we are writing B bar. And C. In this case, what is common? B is 1,
BC
which
bar.
is common.
B.
So B and C is also common,
C
but
bar.
it is value is 0. So it is C bar. Is that clear? B bar C plus B C
Yes,
bar.
sir.
Got this?
Yes,
Got the
sir.
K-map? Okay. So now we'll take for another example. One 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 zero zero 1 0. Okay. A B C. Find the equation. मैं एक और ग्रुप बताना भूल गया. ग्रुप ऑफ 4 जो है वो आपका पूरा 1 एक लाइन में भी पॉसिबल है.
Yes, sir.
That is also very much possible. Okay. So this group of 4 is one group.
Group of 2.
And this is a group of 2. Clear है? So the function f is equal to 1 plus 2. So this is your group number 1 and this is nothing but your group number 2. So tell me, what is group number 1?
The A bar.
A bar. So this is A bar, you got the A bar. What about this one?
BC.
BC.
BC. So f is equal to A bar plus BC. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. One more expression. Anybody wants a break?
No, sir.
या 15 मिनट में मैं छोड़ देता हूँ खुद ही, 15 या 20 मिनट. या अगर आप बोर होने लगे हो आप मुझे बोल देना, मैं छोड़ दूंगा. So this is A B C 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1.
Group of 1 का pair है possible.
ग्रुप ऑफ 1 का
Group of 2 का एक pair बनेगा sir.
ग्रुप ऑफ 2 का एक पेयर बनेगा. सो दिस इज वन ग्रुप, राइट? और भी कोई ग्रुप बन सकता है?
Yes, sir.
एक
Sir,
ये
corner
वाला, एक ये कॉर्नर वाला और एक ये कॉर्नर वाला.
Yes, sir.
ये एक बच जाएगा, उसको आप छोड़ दोगे, कोई इशू नहीं. उसको एक सेपरेट ग्रुप बना लो बचा हुआ, क्योंकि ग्रुप में आपको सबको लेना है. सो ग्रुप ऑफ 1 बन जाएगा वो. ओके. सो दिस इज द कॉर्नर 1. आई विल बी मेकिंग एज ग्रुप नंबर 1. दिस वन आई एम मेकिंग एज ग्रुप नंबर 2. And this I'm making as group number 3. Fine. So what is the function? Function is equal to I plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Tell me the equation.
A bar C bar.
The 1 is 1 wala. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So A bar and
C bar.
B is changing
A bar,
C
C
bar.
bar.
A bar C bar, very good. What about 2? This is इसके लिए, इस ग्रुप के लिए
B
1
C
and
bar.
0.
B
B
C bar.
C bar.
B C bar.
B C
B
bar.
bar.
Very
C bar
good.
हुआ.
Very good. Very good. Very good. For this one, nothing is common. So 101. 101 is nothing but A B bar C.
B
Right?
bar
No?
C.
C. Yes sir.
Got this?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. So this is your final answer.
तो मतलब ग्रुप ऑफ 1 में हमें लिखना तीनों का लिखना होता है राइट, या दो का जो भी.
ग्रुप ऑफ 1 में जितने भी एक्सप्रेशन रहेंगे वो सारे आ
हाँ.
जाएंगे.
ओके सर. ओके.
ओके. अगर मैं 3 एक्सप्रेशन की बात कर रहा हूँ तो तीनों आ जाएंगे. अगर 2 का होता और उसमें खाली एक ही एलिमेंट होता तो 2 का होता. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट.
यस सर.
या तो अगर मतलब मैं अगर ऐसा एक ग्रुप बन रहा है जिसमें सिर्फ 2 ही एक्सप्रेशन है ए और बी और इसके अंदर 0 0 0 1 एक ही है समझ लो, और कोई ग्रुप बना नहीं सकते हो. सो दिस नथिंग बट this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is nothing 1. So what is that group, what is that value for this particular function? F क्या आ जाएगा? It is A
AB.
B,
A B.
right ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया?
Yes,
दोनों
sir.
एक्सप्रेशन आ गए, दो ही एक्सप्रेशन आया. ये इस केस में अगर एक ही ग्रुप था तो 3 एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन दैट यू हैव. अगर 3 एक्सप्रेशन आ रहे हैं उसके अंदर और एक एलिमेंट है उसके अंदर तो एक एलिमेंट के 3 एक्सप्रेशन आएंगे. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. एक के मैप ऐसा भी आता है जो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. ओके, इट इज अ 4x4 के मैप. ओके, सो व्हिच इन व्हिच केस यू विल बी हैविंग
16.
4 expressions. You will be having 4 expressions, which means
Both
you are
sides.
having,
But
yeah. So you have AB, you have CD. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. अगर इस केस में अगर सिर्फ ये 1 है बाकी सब 0 है, everything is completely 0. Okay. So उस केस में ये जो एक ग्रुप है उसके अंदर 4 एक्सप्रेशन आ जाएंगे, which can be A bar, B
A bar,
bar,
B bar, C bar, D.
and D.
C bar. D bar.
Is that clear?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
तो अगर ग्रुप ऑफ 1 है तो आपको सिर्फ चेक करना है कि टोटल एक्सप्रेशन कितने हैं. अगर 4 होंगे तो ग्रुप ऑफ 1 में 4 एक्सप्रेशन होंगे. ओके. ग्रुप ऑफ 2 के अंदर एक एक्सप्रेशन कम हो जाएगा, यानी 3 एक्सप्रेशन होंगे. ए बी सी होगा या ए बार बी सी होगा या ए बी सी बार होगा, यानी 3 ही एक्सप्रेशन होगा. ग्रुप ऑफ 3 में अगर 4 की बात कर रहा हूँ तो 2 कम हो जाएगा, तो आपका ए बार बी बार होगा. एंड ग्रुप ऑफ 4 के अंदर आपका सिर्फ एक ही एक्सप्रेशन होगा, विच इज ए. Is that clear? I know
Yes,
you're not getting it. I'm pretty much sure you're not getting it because
सर
I'm going
तो
too
जैसे
fast.
आपने
Yes, sir.
बोला ग्रुप ऑफ 8 ढूंढने का, तो अभी जैसे ये तो 4x4 है तो उसमें ग्रुप ऑफ 8 की पॉसिबिलिटी है.
Possibility है.
हाँ, तो
जी.
उसमें फिर क्या एक्सप्रेशन आएगा, क्योंकि आपने बोला 4 आएगा तो फिर एक बचा, तो ग्रुप ऑफ 8 में क्या बचेगा?
Yeah. So
एक ही बचेगा उसमें.
अगर मान लो ये सब ये ग्रुप ऑफ 8 ये 8 यानी 3 एक्सप्रेशन का, राइट, ए बी सी. अगर ये सब 1 होता तो इसका आउटपुट क्या आता? 1 आता.
यस सर.
बराबर. तो इस केस में ग्रुप ऑफ 8 में 1 ही आएगा, कोई एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आएगा, कंप्लीटली एक्सप्रेशन लेस होगा. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
यस
इस केस में अगर समझ लो ये ग्रुप बनता है. ओके, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1 1 1 1. सो व्हाट इज कॉमन? कम ऑन टेल मी. व्हाट इज कॉमन?
So C.
CD कॉमन हुआ.
सो अगर आप देखोगे नहीं, सी डी कॉमन नहीं होगा,
C.
जस्ट सी कॉमन है.
C
And
कॉमन है,
C
राइट.
is, C is nothing but 0. So C bar हो जाएगा. Got the
Okay.
idea? So the group
Yes,
of
sir.
8 will be replaced by just one expression. And अगर 16 होता तो सारे 1 होते तो क्या होता? 1
One.
expressionless.
One होता. हाँ.
Is that clear?
Yes
Yes.
sir.
Okay, I'll be closing this session because there is a meeting which is to be conducted. Okay, I'm getting call for that. So yeah. मैं ब्रेक देना चाह रहा था बट ठीक है यार, बहुत हो गया आज के लिए मेरे ख्याल से. I hope you're finding it interesting and not that boring.
Yes sir.
Yeah, so kindly I've shared the link to you guys. You can watch the